This is the E-flite T-28 Trojan 1.2m, and I'm going to taxi out, and then we'll take off from left to right across the field. Check the control surfaces, rudder, ailerons and elevator, flaps are working, and we're going to taxi out. So here we go. Little bumpy, quite bumpy, I guess. Got stuck in a hole. See if I can back it up. There we go. That looks good, and we're going to give it half flaps, taking off a little bit towards the southeast, and we should have plenty of room. Not a lot of wind, but there's some, so here we go. Fly on a 4S 3200.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Gear is up.
61 miles per hour.
This baby's pretty quick.
3 minutes. 319 feet.
It's a good looking plane, flies well. See if I can bring it down a little bit lower and take a flyby here. Three-bladed prop. Good size prop, good size engine. Really sucks the energy out of the battery, especially when you can get it going fast.
313 feet.
Another low flyby here. Haven't flown this in a couple of weeks. I broke the nose gear. Had to wait for a replacement to come in. And was able to install it a couple of days ago. Went in well, just didn't have the part. Without the part, you can't fly the plane.
Miles per hour, 222 feet, 4 volts, 1 minute.
Beautiful powered plane. Wind feels like it shifted a little bit coming from behind me. Not very much though, so I still will probably land just about the way we took off, or left to right. And we've got 3.9 on the battery, so I'm probably going to go a little longer because this is a 4S 3200, not just a 2200.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 421 feet.
Up a couple hundred feet. It's up there quick. Kind of coasting down, gliding into the wind here. Just a little bit of power right at us. Do a couple of laps the other direction. We're at 3.8 and the voltage, so we got a little bit of time.
10 feet. Miles per hour, 305 feet, 3.5 volts. 371 feet. 43.9 miles per hour, 303 feet, 3.8 volts.
Okay, we're down at about 356 now. I'm going to bring a low pass to lower the gear. We'll go around and set it up for landing. Land again left to right. So let's see, get it coming in straight at me here.
Gear down. Gear up.
Those deer didn't come down.
Gear down.
Nose gear is getting hung up.
Gear up. Gear down. Gear up. Gear down. Gear up.
I have to do a belly landing, I guess. Hopefully I can bring it in nice and slow.
Armed. Low battery. Landing mode on. Disarmed. Safe off. Flaps up. 0 miles per hour.
Not a great landing, but a belly landing got us down.